Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. It's shop tour day. So here's what's going on. -5-degree wind chill. Tons of snow going on outside. And I thought, you know what, better day just to walk around the shop, show you what's going on. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. We're going to start in our dyno cell. We're going to head out into the shop. We're looking at F100, Gen 3 Coyote, Whipple Supercharger. We got Mach 1. We've got like 3 valves. We've got GT350. All kinds of stuff going on out there. S550, of course. But behind me, right here on the dyno today, it's a Saleen. It's a yellow label, 2016 Saleen. Doug, if you don't mind, come over and check it out. Now, I'm not going in depth on all these vehicles. I just kind of want to show you today what we're working on. So we installed billet oil pump gears, cooling mods, all the great cooling mods in this car. We're tuning it right now. It's got the candy bell on it. So, see, it says Saleen on there, but basically it's manufactured by Kenny Bell. It's a 2016, it's a yellow label. And this is car number 24. I don't know how many of these they made. I have no idea. But it's a pretty sweet ride. So we're just kind of trying to get this wrapped up in here right now. We're in the dyno cell. Let's go in the shop, Doug, if you don't mind. And go see what is going on out here. You know, it's really warm in here right now. I got the old jacket on because I've been outside. But here's what's on the lifts today. Check that out, another Saleen. I think this is an 07. So this Saleen right here came in, Dom's working on it. It came in for a built engine. So we're doing our 326 long block ported heads, big cams. Still gonna retain the Saleen Supercharger. A lot of you always ask, can I buy the Saleen Supercharger? No, you can't, they're discontinued. Running a 275 pulley and see what this thing lays down on the dyno. You might see a video on this coming up in the future, but Doug, walk over here, take a little bit of a closer look. This is a killer setup, of course. As I always say, when you're trying to crank with the power, all the cooling mods, we got the big radiator in it. Of course, we have long tube headers. Everything we need to make a bunch of power on a 3 valve. And this is a TVS 2300 Saleen Supercharger right here. With, of course, the Ford Performance throttle body. We love putting those on there. Let's go next. Mach 1. What? So we have an 03 Mach 1 up here. We're going to go underneath this car. This is a pretty stock car. So we have a cold air intake on it. A couple minor engine mods underneath. Come here, Doug. BBK long tube headers. Cool thing about BBK long tubes, you can get them in a lot of different varieties. You can get, of course, like the chrome, you can get the ceramic coated. But the big thing here, this car originally had a big grinding problem in the transmission. We installed a Magnum 6-speed transmission. My favorite transmission, if you want a manual, I should say. If you want a manual, that's my favorite. So I don't care if you have like an 05 Mustang or 11 Mustang or like whatever. If you have a manual and you love those, the Magnum 6-speed transmission is really the way to go. I love those a lot. And that's what's in this bad boy right here. We're going to move on down to the next car. Over here we have another 3-valve convertible Mustang. Pretty basic mods. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about 3 valves. So this is in getting, actually pretty clean car. But it's in getting pipes, long tube headers with high flow cats, JLT cold air intake. Great mods. But if you have a 3-valve Mustang and you got the, of course, the tuner, the cold air, maybe you got the long tubes, what I do next, I always suggest a set of Steeda under dry pulleys, set of delete plates, or you can go with the Ford Performance manifold. That's another great option. So that's a really good way to open up the induction. And then, of course, a set of Detroit rocker camshafts to give that lopey muscle car sound. So if you have a 3-valve Mustang like this right here, and you're, got a cold air intake and tune, don't know what to do next, that's where I would go on that. GT350 over here, let's go take a look. So if you watch many of these videos, you're gonna find out, you see a lot of GT350s because they're in here all the time. What do we have going on with this one right here? It's what I call the standard recipe, which is a Whipple Supercharger. Cooling mods, big radiator, rear cylinder cooling kit, cooler thermostat, and billet oil pump gears. That's basically like the original recipe, I should say. And that's what we like to do on these. And I like to follow up with a set of long tube headers. And Rylan, what do we got? Stock manifolds on this?
Yep, stock manifolds.
Stock manifolds. So next step on a car like this right here, set of long tube headers. That'll be really sweet on this. But we do a ton of Whipples in here, whether you got a normal GT or whatever. It could be a truck, ton of Whipples. I love GT350s. Let's walk over here now, see what we have going on. the F100's in the background. We're gonna go take a look at that in a minute. But we have right here another 15 to 17 GT. Doug, come over here. Now this might look slightly different than the Whipples you've been seeing me put videos on recently, but this is the older Whipple Supercharger, okay? It's about to do Gen 5. We just installed a Ford Performance short block in this. So built engine, what's that mean? Once you have the built engine, time to turn it up. So we have the built engine in this car right here. We're just basically breaking it in. That's what's going on right now. And the weather's kind of bad outside, so we can't do a lot of driving on it. But the next step for a car like this is turn up the boost, larger fuel injectors, bigger fuel system, and basically enjoy the short block. But the short block's in there right now, so now you have the reliability. That's what's going on right here. And Doug, look at this, F100. I love this truck. So this truck's actually pretty close. It's out of Illinois, and it's a 1970. Don't worry, I'll probably do 1 or 2 videos on the truck. I'll give you a lot more detail on it. I'm just gonna kind of scan over it real quick. It's a Gen 3 Coyote. And guess what? 10-speed automatic transmission. Doug, you don't mind, come down, take a look. With a stainless power, long tube headers. This is gonna have a Whipple Supercharger, make ton of power. QA1 suspension, so we got the K member, the coilovers. Awesome brakes on this, and guess what? Don't worry, these are not the wheels that's gonna be on this car. They're just on it to roll it around. We're having custom ones made. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment, of course. Check that description. I'll put a link in there on how do you get a quote on maybe getting your F100 built or a Mustang or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, please subscribe and notify us to stay up to date. -5 degree wind chill outside. I'm just hanging out in the shop today. Thanks for watching.